A visit to my uncle. Last Sunday, I went to visit my uncle. He lives in a small village. The village is very peaceful with lots of trees and open spaces. I always feel happy when I go there. When I reached, my uncle was waiting for me. He gave me a big hug and smiled. He said, "It is so good to see you." My aunt also welcomed me and asked me to sit and rest, but I wanted to see my uncle's garden. My uncle took me to his garden. It was very beautiful. There were flowers of different colors and fresh vegetables growing in rows. He told me how he takes care of the plants every day. He also showed me some new plants he had planted. I liked the garden very much. After the garden, we had lunch together. My aunt made delicious food. She cooked my favorite dish, aloo parathas with butter. We sat and talked while eating. My uncle told me funny stories and gave me good advice about life. In the evening, my uncle took me to a small hill near his house. We walked up, and the view from the top was amazing. I could see the whole village from there. My uncle told me a funny story about the hill, and we laughed a lot. When it was time to leave, I felt sad. My uncle and aunt said, "Come again soon." I promised to visit them again. It was a very happy day, and I will always remember it.